Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by defining precise goals, total supply, decimals, and tokenomics so you build the right contract. Once decided, pick a blockchain based on fees and users. This shapes deployment and tools. Now set up your environment, install Node. JS and NPM, add Hardhat or Truffle, configure MetaMask for a testnet, and claim testnet funds from a faucet. These first actionable steps get you from concept to a runnable dev workspace immediately. You now write the smart contract. Implement ERC20 standard functions plus minting, pausing, and an owner or role-based access control. Once coded, compile and create unit tests that check transfers, allowances, mint limits, and reentrancy protection. Testing catches logic bugs early. Deploy to a testnet through Hardhat or Truffle and interact with the contract from MetaMask to confirm behavior. If tests reveal issues, iterate on code, then recompile. You deploy to mainnet only after thorough testing and optional audit. Make sure private keys are stored securely and deployment gas is estimated. Once deployed, mint the initial supply according to your tokenomics, transfer allocations to designated wallets, and add liquidity or scheduled distributions. After launch, monitor transactions and token holder activity closely to spot anomalies. If something goes wrong, pause minting or transfers if you implemented a pause function. This single troubleshooting move often prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.